Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to another unboxing video. So today I ordered our special broccoli vessel from Amazon. Okay, and it's 500 ml. So let's check it out. I just got this since I woke up this morning at 9 o'clock, sharp at 9 a.m. So let's see how it comes. I hope it is bought safe and secure because they say they take care while they deliver items. So let me check. I'm just opening it slowly because it's a glass item. It's for the microwave. It's a special bowl that can be used safe on microwave. So I'm opening it very quickly. Okay, see, it's the bill. Which is sent to the box. Okay, so one box inside another box. So this is the item. Square dish with handle. Okay. Here I go. Wow. Let me remove it carefully. Wow, don't you think this is a good thing, guys? Wow, I like this bowl. It's so cute and small. But I paid almost 560 for this. Sorry, 559. You can see it below here. 559. And it's just for this one bowl I bought. So this is a cute small bowl, but it will fit inside my microwave, which I just ordered. Now what comes in this? They give a booklet so you can read the instructions on how to use this glass bowl, how to heat your food inside the microwave using this glass bowl. They also give something more. Maybe this is a warranty. Okay, this shows a website of the product. By the website, if you want to go directly to this website, you can visit your www.borosil.com. And your other instructions, guys, that's microwave oven proof, dishwasher proof, freezer proof, healthiest option, temperature proof. So this bowl is having so many conditions. You can use it in your microwave. Okay. Wow, it's really bought safe to me, not a scratch, no. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and comment below. I would like to see your comments. Okay, what do you feel about this Borosil glass bowl? Thank you.